going on, everyone? My name is here and back with another video. Today we're going to Texas. And we're going to go to a hotel, stay the night, go to Six Flags over Texas. Then tomorrow we're going to Hurricane Harbor at Texas. I hope you guys like this video, because this is going to be one of the nicest videos I've ever made. Like in my YouTube history. And I know it's been like a long time since I made a vlog. When I make like a video like outside. Yeah. And it's the first time ever. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. Yeah, let's head to Texas. It kind of looks like Aquaman's clothes. Mr. Freeze in first class, and Batman over there. So wherever you go, there's construction over there. She's going. There's a room right here. Got a couch, dispensary bed, table, a desk here, 2 beds. There's a bathroom right here. There's 2 cases in, and a closet, and an air conditioner. And oh my god, you cannot see that much. Hang on. Here. Behind the buildings. And yeah, now we do the tour. Let's go to Six Flags over Texas. There's Six Flags over Texas. The best Six Flags park at Texas. Let's go. I ate a jerky ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper jerky?
Yeah, it was not that bad. If you come to Buc-ee's, please try the ghost pepper jerky. It's pretty good. Make sure you eat it really quick, because if you don't, the spice will get to you. In-N-Out burger. Let's try it. The Buc-ee's sign. Buc-ee's. I just slept in this bed, and now we're heading to get some breakfast. And after that, we're heading to Hurricane Harbor at Texas. Let's go to breakfast. We're Six Flags over Texas. It's now time to go in and ride the water slides. There's the water slides over there, and there you don't see all the water slides because there's like a big, there's like trees in the way. But when we enter the park, you're gonna see there's a little bit of a tornado right there. A little, hang on. Also, there's the black hole right there, and you can't see the tornado that much. This tornado over there is a little more park. Way over there is Six Flags. But let's go in and see the thing. We're just waiting for the start to open. Opening? Let's go! Excuse me, sir, don't hold up. This is stuff we're gonna sit at. I'm gonna sit right there and we're waiting till this side opens.
Wait, what? Where are chairs at?
Amazing. I'm excited. Let's go! Look, let's go. Let's get over there. Alright. Everybody, we're back at Six Flags Over Texas. Now you might be wondering why we went from Hurricane Harbor to this park. Well, yesterday we were supposed to go to this park, but it started raining. I couldn't get on Mr. Freeze or any of the rides. So, we're doing this today. Let's go.
Sorry,